Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you our lip gloss base pouches that we sell on my website, I just received a few new boxes, so I'm gonna open this one so you can see how they look like. So here we are. This is the box. I already cut it, so I'm just gonna open it like this. So here, these are just the caps on them, the ones that we put on, and it comes with a little funnel to help me pour the liquid into the so anyways, these are the cups for the pouches, and this one will come with the, now these are the pouches themselves. These are 8 ounces, 250 mils, I believe, and we have so much of this. So if you have a lip gloss company, check out my website, and these pouches are very extremely cheap, under $1. So I'm just gonna remove them all so you can see them best. So these are the pouches. Like I said, we have so many of them, and there's no leakage. They're perfect. I'll be doing some videos on how they, I'll fill this up with lip gloss. So as you know, we do have lip gloss base too. So these pouches, they are extremely cheap on my website, and under $1 you can get these guys. So I'm just gonna demonstrate on how the cups work. Okay, so it comes with a tiny funnel. This one I just bought it for me, but you won't be receiving this. You can buy this at the dollar store. Yeah, so it comes with that. But then what I really wanted to show you is these cups. So they go on like that. I'm not gonna like really close it because it has a lock on it, so I don't want it to. But yeah, but these are our 250 mils lip gloss pouches, and they don't leak. They are extremely strong. So check them out on my website. They're extremely cheap, under $1. So you can get these guys.